Beijing Coolbuy Network Technology Company is a Chinese B2C company specializing in online sales of sports and leisure commodities. It is such a small and medium enterprise that only possesses 12 staff but successfully operates in a high efficiency way. The aim of the report is to identify the management information system of Coolbuy Company, and its official selling website is cooley.cn. The report introduces the business model of Coolbuy Company, evaluates its IT strategic value, and describes a possible management information system through the ERD graph. This report also analyzes the database and SQL queries based on the functions of cooley.cn. The business model. First, the business model will be introduced in 5 parts: customer segmentations in relation to customer value proposition, channels, profit model, and key resources, activities, as well as partnerships. Number 1, customer segment. As for the customer segmentations and relationship, according to China Digital Consumer Survey, most Chinese young people aged from 18 to 34 are active in online shopping. Among these users, there are 68% of buyers who purchase sports goods. About the value proposition, Coolbuy is one of the largest dealers of Adidas and main retailer of many famous sports brands. The company guarantees to provide genuine products without fake, which can save time for customers to distinguish whether they are real goods or not. In terms of purchasing channels, there are 2 aspects. Mainly, customers can purchase sports products on cooley.cn. Additionally, the cooperative channels like JD.com, Tmall.com also have Cooley's online stores for customers to buy quality products, which gives customers more choices. 4. As for the profit pattern, 99% of Cooley's revenues are purchased and sales price differential. The company purchases sportswear, sneakers, and sports accessories from suppliers and then sells them to customers. Besides, charges of third partner services is another resource of income, accounting for only 1% of revenue. Speaking of cost, administration and selling expenses are 2 main expenditures. Administration expenses, which occupy 68%, include employee training, rent, wages, technical cost, and other expenses. The remaining 32% is selling expenses, consisting of delivery costs and charges for platform services. There are 3 types of key activities in Coolbuy. First, zero inventory management, which is purchasing from suppliers after customers' orders have been submitted. Second, the maintenance and publicity of websites. Last, cooperation with quickest and the safest express companies. Next, key resources. First, IT resources guarantee customers to enter and use the website smoothly. Second, human resources such as representatives enable Coolbuy to provide high-quality customer experience. Third, patent resources include the trademark and the domain name. As for partnerships, cooley.cn needs commodity suppliers to provide the goods, logistic companies to deliver the goods, payment platforms to receive proceedings, and instant message tool companies to communicate with customers. Next, we will analyze the IT strategic value of Coolbuy. The strategic goal of Coolbuy is to increase popularity and competitiveness and to establish an outstanding e-commerce brand that can compete with leading companies. Also, the mission is to provide personalized and large-scale service at the same time, when the vision is to become the benchmark company in the e-commerce industry. Pest. To evaluate the external environment, pest analysis is applied. On the political aspect, the Chinese government strongly supports the e-commerce industry. In 2015, a series of documents that benefit e-commerce business were issued by the State Council. As for the economic perspective, merely in the second quarter of 2017, the B2C's markets transactions amounted to 0.9 trillion RMB. In addition, the annual online shopping consumption per capita was 9,206.9 RMB in 2015, which was increasing annually at 120%. In a word, all of these figures indicate that the external environment of China shows a positive attitude for the growth of e-commerce industry. Also, Porter's 5 forces is used to analyze the industry environment, as well as identify the competitive elements of the whole company. Porter's 5 forces. First, Coolbuy faces amounts of leading brands in the e-commerce industry, like Taobao, JD, and VIP, which holds a significant proportion of the market share. Secondly, Coolbuy faces quite a huge bargaining power of the supply, because it merely chooses one supplier, which will lead Coolbuy to be irresistibly drawn to follow the supplier's charging decision. Secondly, buyers of Coolbuy also hold a high bargaining power because customers can choose variable e-commerce companies to buy products. Finally, Physical stores are its subsidiaries. Speaking of the usages of IT, the company applies ERP system to the processes from purchase to sales. At the same time, when consumers place an order on the selling platform, the ERP system receives the order information and sends it to the system of suppliers, after which suppliers deliver the items to Coolbuy and refresh the stock balance on both selling platform and inventory system. Moreover, on the online selling platform, customers can not only purchase products they want and gain the e-coupon for a discount, but can also have a pleasant after-sales service due to the efficiency of in-time online consulting and online goods return system. Next, we analyze strategic value of IT using the dimensions framework of technology strategic value. First, ERP system creates long-term value for the company to go for its goal, which is to compete with leading companies. Even though ERP is costly in the short period, it simplifies the management of inventory and supply chain in the long term because it can automatically record and refresh the information in databases and place orders. In terms of competitive edges, firstly, usages of IT reduce costs and leave room for price reduction. The ERP system and online selling platform allows the company to employ only 2 people to deal with the supply chain and another 2 to maintain the selling platform. Secondly, the efficiency of online purchase consulting and online goods return system cuts down the cost on goods return and increases the willingness to place orders. IT also provides Coolbuy with a driver of change. Because of the fierce competition from rivals, the enlargement of service is necessary to stand out among established companies. Coolbuy gets rid of its single business model and further develops TP e-commerce service. As for the platform of innovation, Coolbuy schedules to enter medical service industry using the concept of Internet plus medical service, so that Coolbuy can be a pioneer in this blue ocean, which establishes the fundamental basis of being the benchmark company in the e-commerce industry in the future. The ER diagram among different entities of Coolbuy.cn is shown as follows. There are 10 entities, which are customer, account, order, product, supplier, logistic company, favorite, representative, and shopping cart, as well as goods return. All the information is stored in the ERD that shows how the company makes money. As for the database, it consists of 10 tables which help the company to manage huge quantity of data efficiently. The customer table includes customer ID, customer real name, and gender, which enables Coolbuy to understand its customer segmentation. The account table provides customers' personal information like contact details, membership status, so that the company can deliver goods and gain customer feedback conveniently. Order number, date together with other information are presented in the order table. In this way, Coolbuy can manage the orders and acknowledge the latest status and improve efficiency. The product table can be used together with the supply chain management to help the company reduce shortages and change its inbound strategy correspondingly. The supplier table clearly demonstrates the supplier's number, name, and location. Similarly, the logistics company table includes the logistics number, name, and price. The primary key of the favorite table is the favorite number. The product number, date, and account ID are also presented so that Coolbuy can identify which kinds of products are more popular during one period by what kind of customers. The representative table tells the company information about its representatives. When there are problems about customer service, company managers can find and contact the correspondent staff quickly. The shopping cart table indicates which products will be bought by customers, and in this way, Coolbuy can pre-purchase from suppliers and offer goods immediately when orders are paid. The last table is the good returns table. Not only the return date, status, and representative number are given, the order number is also presented so that the company can pick information of order from the order table. Coolbuy.cn is the online selling platform that allows customers to search for products of every brand, but also to filter the searching results according to the criteria that customers want. The query can explain how the system selects information from databases behind the website. To illustrate, we assume that a customer whose ID number is 123008 searches Adidas shoes for women whose price is the most expensive and below 2,999 RMB. Then he clicks onto a pair of shoes called Adi Sun and places an order. At that time, he can know the information of his order, including product number, his address, phone number, logistics companies that deliver the goods, and so on. However, there are some IT problems. Compared with JD.com, first, the interface of Coolbuy.cn lacks the function of filtering capability, such as filtering by comprehensive assessment of a kind of product. Thus, we need to fix it. Moreover, the website fails to bring pleasant experience to mobile phone users, so the mobile version of the website or the app should be developed to make it more accessible for mobile. Thirdly, the website does not provide the function of checking browsing history for users to save time. The recommendation is that the company can add one button which enables customers view their browsing footprints. In conclusion, the information reservation system is significant for our company, which helps to establish the relationship between customers and firm and simplify the operation as well as reducing the cost. Although there are some IT problems, after maintenance we will perform better. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening. For more information, please look at the website.